These are the oranges in my previous snake in money bag tutorial. You can display them together with the snakes. Or you can make them as amigurumi doll with a face. Their leaves can be arranged to form a heart. Pause to see the materials you will need. We will start with the orange. Make a magic ring with the orange yarn. Do 6 single crochet in the magic ring. Pull the tail to close the hole. Then end the round with slip stitch in the first stitch. Next round, start with chain 1 and in the next stitch do an increase. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Now do 5 increase for the round, so total 6 increase. Now skip the chain 1 and remove the stitch marker. On round 3, do a single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Then do increase in the next stitch. Now repeat single crochet increase a total of 6 times. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Pull the magic ring tail to tighten the magic ring. Now we are going to do single crochet 2 increase. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Now repeat single crochet 2 increase a total of 6 times. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. On round 5, do 3 single crochet increase. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Now repeat single crochet 3 increase a total of 6 times. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. On round 6 to round 9, do 30 single crochet. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Going to fast forward to the end of round 9. Now we are at the end of round 9. Remove the stitch marker when you finish round 9. Now do 3 single crochet decrease. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Use invisible decrease for all your decrease. Repeat 3 single crochet decrease a total of 6 times. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Now do 2 single crochet decrease. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Use invisible decrease for all your decrease. Repeat 2 single crochet decrease a total of 6 times. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Next round, do single crochet decrease. Mark the first single crochet with stitch marker. Use invisible decrease for the decrease. Repeat single crochet decrease a total of 6 times. Going to fast forward to the end. Remove the stitch marker when you reach the end. Here, add stuffing into your orange. On the last round, do decrease 6 times. Use invisible decrease for the decrease. Then end the round with slip stitch in the first stitch. Leave a tail to fasten off. Now sew the tail outwards in the front loops of the next 4 stitches to close the hole. Then sew into the middle of the hole towards the top of the orange. Pull the tail to tighten the hole. Now sew a knot on the top row within the tail and cut. And then cut and hide the ends inside. I evened out the stitches and adjusted a little. To make the leaf, leave a longer tail for sewing later. Make a slip knot with green yarn. And chain 6. And in the second chain from the hook, do a single crochet. In the next chain, do half double crochet. In the next 2 chains, do double crochet. One more double crochet. Then a half double crochet. And in the last chain, do a slip stitch. Leave a tail to sew. You will have 2 tails for sewing. Make 2 leaves. Use this slip stitch from row 1 on the orange as a guide, and this slip stitch part will be the back of the orange. We will sew both leaves on row 1 of the orange. Taking the left tail first, sew from the back across to the front. Sew a knot in the bottom stitch. Weave into a side first. Now take the other tail and sew from the front to the back. Sew a knot in the bottom stitch. Sew to the other tail to tie them together. Tie them together, weave in and cut. And then cut and hide the ends inside. We will sew the same way for the other leaf. Taking the left tail first, this time sew from the front to the back first. Sew a knot in the bottom stitch. Weave into a side first. Now take the other tail, sew from the back across to the front. Sew a knot in the bottom stitch. Sew to the other tail to tie them together. Arrange the leaves. Tie them together, weave in and cut. And then cut and hide the ends inside. The leaves are done. If you want to give them eyes, insert the eyes between row 6 and row 7. For the mouth, sew on one stitch between row 7 and row 8. Your orange amigurumi is done. You can display them or make them into a fruit keychain. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.